Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to react in Telegram Android. Here's a simple step guide on how to react to messages in Telegram on Android. First, unlock your Android phone and go to the Telegram app. Tap the Telegram icon to open it. From the home screen, open a chat, private, group, or channel where you want to react to. Scroll to find the message you want to react to. Press and hold on the message. A small reaction menu with emojis will appear above or below the message. Tap on the emoji you want to use as a reaction. The chosen emoji will now appear below the message. To change your reaction, press and hold the message again. Choose a different emoji from the menu. To remove your reaction, tap the same emoji again under the message. Continue chatting and reacting to make conversations more fun and engaging. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.